Good morning, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. We had rain last night for the first time in months. And I want you to see how beautiful, oops, I'm not showing you, how beautiful blue the sky is. I am so happy. And the air is so clean. It's way exciting. I'm about to check the rain gauge. Oh my goodness, we got so much rain. I'll check it right now. I'm excited. Okay, so should be able to see. We got 8/10 of an inch last night. Oh, praise God, I was so excited. So I have this really great rain gauge department because I am a weather watcher and way excited. Look at this beautiful sky. I'm just amazed. It's so pretty. I'll show you what I've been doing since I got up today. Give the old kitty some treats. I think he has cancer. He's about 17 years old. Still a beautiful cat, but he's really getting spoiled getting these treats every time I walk out. I sliced up one of my homegrown onions, just like this, and it is in my pot over some nice chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I also have a pot of rice going. Slicing up some of my beautiful bell peppers.